Today this time I collected some very challenging questions from SAT. These are maybe from previous SAT questions. These are some of the toughest questions in SAT. Yes. Is it written for every question? Is it without calculator or with calculator, or in the beginning of some category only?
What they changed, my city changed to digital nurses, so every question is calculated.
This is not the toughest category. This is medium question. Not easy, not difficult. It is just medium. Yeah. Can you tell this answer? One method is plug in √3 - 1 in the place of x.
Yes, sir.
Plug in √3 - 1 in the place of x. What happens? X is equal to √3 - 1. So squaring on both sides, x square is equal
Plus 2 times √3 minus
√3
1.
- 1 whole square, right?
Yes, sir.
A minus b whole square. A square 3 minus 2ab. You know this formula? A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab, or a square minus 2ab plus b square minus √3 plus b square means 1, right? Is equal to 4 minus 2 √3. So in the place of x square, we can write 4 minus 2 √3.
Yes, sir. So 4 minus 2 √3.
Yeah.
Plus 2 √3 minus 2 minus 2.
So in the place of x, we are writing.
Is the answer option B 0?
Yeah. 0. Is it 0? Really?
Yes, sir.
See. In the place of x square, we are writing 4 minus 2 √3.
Yes, sir.
Plus 2x. 2 times of x means multiplying √3 - 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
That is 2 √3 minus 2.
Yes.
X is equal to √3 - 1, multiplying both sides by 2. That is 2 √3 minus 2. And again minus 2 is there. This minus 2.
Yes, sir.
This is 2x. That is 2 √3 minus 2. This is x square. Now plus 2 √3 and minus 2 √3 get cancels. Yes, very good. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. What you have done is straightforward method. It is straightforward method. Right? And you can, there is a smart method to solve the same sum. That is, it is given that x is equal to √3 minus 1.
Yes, sir.
We can bring -1 to left hand side.
-1 equals √3.
X plus 1 is equal to √3.
Oh, yes, sir. Plus 1 equals √3.
Squaring on both sides.
X plus 1
square.
X plus 1 equals 3.
X plus 1 whole square. A minus b whole square formula. We are using, sorry, a plus b whole square formula. To expand x plus 1 whole square, we are using a plus b whole square formula. X square plus 2x plus 1.
Equals 3.
Root 3 whole square, 3 only. Right?
Yes.
Now bring that plus 3 to left hand side.
X square plus 2x
plus 1 minus 3. Subtracting 3 on both sides.
X square plus 2x minus 2 equals 0.
Yeah. X square plus 2x minus 2 is equal to
0. Yes, sir.
this is smart way.
Yes.
Anyhow, answer for this question is B.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. This is very toughest question in previous SAT. In the category of in the SAT questions, it is the toughest question. That means one of the toughest questions. Seems to be very easy.
If a and b are non-zero integers such as a square plus b square minus 4a minus 2b equals 0 and a square minus b square equals 0, following could be the value a minus b.
Can you? Any idea? Start with any idea. Of course, it may be correct or not, but start with any idea. Tell your idea.
A square minus b square equals 0. So a minus b
That's
times
good. That's good. Very good. That's a good idea. Yeah. Start with the second statement. That is, second statement. A square minus b square is equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Well, beginning.
So a minus b times a plus b equals 0.
Right. A minus b times a plus b.
A minus b equals 0.
Let me tell you one thing here. Generally, if 3x is equal to 0, right?
Yes.
Then x is equal to 0.
0.
It's correct.
Yes, sir.
But if yx is equal to 0, then x is equal to 0 is not correct.
Yes.
It's not matured calculation.
Yes.
It is called unmatured calculation.
Yes, sir.
Here it is correct only because we can bring constant to right hand side. There's no problem in it.
Yes, sir.
But in this case, it is not constant. It is
Yes.
variable.
Yes, sir.
Variable cannot bring to right hand side to make 0.
Yes.
Let me tell you one thing. What is here we are using the principle. What is 5 times 0?
0, sir.
5 times 0 is 0. 0 times 7 is
0, sir.
0 times 0 is
0, sir.
so if product of two numbers is 0, there are 3 cases. First number is 0. First number is second number may be 0, or first number may be 0, or both may be 0.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes,
So
sir.
the conclusion of this discussion is whenever x into y is equal to 0, whenever x into y is equal to 0,
Yes, sir.
we should write this step.
Yes.
Whenever x into y is equal to 0, x into y is equal to 0, that means either x is equal to 0 or
y
is equal to. This is the correct step.
Yes, sir.
But as I told you, if 3x is equal to 0,
then x
there
equals
is no
0.
mistake in writing if 3x is equal to 0, then x is equal to 0. Yeah,
Yes.
what's the reason? You know, If we use the same principle for the statement 3x is equal to 0, we may write 3 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 0. Then it is nonsense statement.
Yes, sir.
If we use the same principle in writing 3x is equal to 0, we may write 3 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 0, right? 3 is equal to 0 is a meaning nonsense statement.
Yes, sir.
That's why x is equal to 0, correct statement, right?
Yes, sir.
This is the difference between constant and variable. Got it clearly?
Yes, sir.
Use same principle here. A minus b into a plus b is equal to 0, which means
It's a minus b equals 0 or
very
a plus.
good. That's right. Either a minus b is equal to 0 or a plus b is equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
What happens if a minus b is equal to 0?
Then
A is equal to b, right?
yes, sir.
Or a is equal to minus b.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
You know this a minus b is equal to 0. That means a is equal to b.
Yes, sir.
A plus b is equal to 0. That means a is equal to minus b, right?
Yes, sir.
Now let us use the first statement. Now we are using a is equal to b. Oh, I couldn't write. I couldn't copy options here, right? I am writing options here. Options. Option 1 or option A. Minus 3.
Yes.
Option B. The value of a minus b is asked, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. 3. Option C, 0. Option D, 2. Right. See, now we are using A is equal to B.
Yes, sir.
Plug in that result in this statement.
B square plus B square minus 4B minus
Replace B or replace A, whatever you wish. A square plus A square minus 4A minus 2A, right?
yes,
Is equal to 0. What happens now?
2B square minus 6B equals 0.
2A square
2A
minus A.
6A equals 0.
Divide both sides by 2.
A square minus 3A equals 0.
A square minus 3A is equal to 0.
Take B common. Sorry, A common.
A minus 3.
So it's
That implies again use the same principle. This principle used here. Either A
yes,
is equal to 0.
equals 0 or A equals 3.
A is equal to 3, right? Yeah. As we know, A is equal to B. Both are equal. If A is equal to 0, then B also 0.
Yes,
Right?
yes,
If A is equal to B, sorry, if A is equal to 3, then B is also 3.
yes, sir.
So if A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0, the required value is A minus B.
Yes.
A minus B is 0 minus 0.
A minus B 0 minus. Yes, sir.
And if A is equal to 3, B is equal to 3.
3 minus 3, that is also 0.
3 minus 3, right? So one result is 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just wait to select option. The first result is A is equal to B, right?
Yes.
What is the second result?
3. Oh, A equals negative B.
A is equal to negative B, right?
Yes, sir.
Use A is equal to negative B in this statement. In this statement, use A is equal to negative B. A square. That is
Negative B whole square.
minus B whole square is B square only.
Yes, sir. So B square minus B.
No, B square, same B square. We are not changing.
Oh, yes, sir. Sorry. Plus
Next,
B
minus 4A plus 4.
plus
It will become
4B.
plus 4B.
Yes, sir. Plus 2B.
Minus 2B.
Sir, plus 2b, no, sir.
No, we are not changing this last
Oh.
term. Minus 2b is written as easily.
Yeah.
Minus 4a, minus 4 into, in the place of a, we are writing minus b.
Yes, sir. I got it.
That's 4b, right? B square plus b square, 2b square.
2b square plus
Plus 2b
6
is equal to 0.
0.
Divide by 2. B square
2
plus b is equal to
b
0.
square 3b equals 0.
B common.
B common b plus 3 equals 0.
B plus 1.
B is equals to 0 or
Either b is equal to 0 or b is equal to minus 1, right?
yes, sir.
If b is equal to minus 1, then a is equal to negative b.
A equals negative b, so A will be 1.
1, very good. A is equal to 1. Then what is a minus b?
1 minus
1 minus of minus 1. A is equal to 1, no? B is equal to minus 1.
1 plus 1, 2, sir.
Right. Yeah, actually there is no 0 in it. Minus 3, minus 2, 1, 2. Right. Actually, this is also correct, you know?
Yes.
A minus b. One answer is a minus b. A minus b is also correct, but a minus b is not included in the options.
Yeah.
Options, list of options. There is no 0 in the list of options in the beginning. By mistake, I wrote 0.
Yes.
Right. So actual options are negative 3, negative 2, 1, 2, right?
Yes.
See, if 2 is not there in the options, there may be 0.
Yes, sir.
Right? If 0 and 2 both are there, it will be confusion. It will
Yes,
be
sir.
confusing. But they gave correctly.
Yes.
0 is not there, 2 is there. And you know one thing, if 0 is there, we need not do any calculations.
Yes, sir.
Because here it is a minus b equal 0.
Yes, sir.
This calculation is not necessary. Whenever 0 is in the options, one of the results by simplifying this a square minus b square equal to 0 is, one result is a minus b equal to 0, another result is a plus b equal to 0.
Yes.
So without doing any of this calculation, this much calculation, just we can use this point and 0.
Yes.
If there is 0 in the options, it is easy question.
Yes.
If there is no 0 in the options, it is tough question. The difference is only in the options.
Yes, sir.
If 0 includes in the options, it is easiest question. If 0 is not included, it is the one of the toughest question, right?
Yes.
Right. Yeah, I am working on selecting toughest questions. Definitely, I'll give some questions for your practice.
Yes.
Okay, right. Yeah, there are categories like this: easy, hard, challenging.
Yes.
Challenging means more than hard.
I think so, sir.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, hard. Some categories of the SAT questions are easy. Okay,
Yes, sir.
easy, medium, hard, and challenging.
Yes, sir.
Challenging means hardest. I think right. If x is an integer, such that
What is the value of x? Yes, sir.
if x is an integer such that
If x in a
minus
x is
5 whole
integer,
power 6x is equal to 5 power 10 plus x.
yes, sir. What is the value of x?
Yeah, what's the value of
X.
x? What is our idea?
1 by 5 to the power 6x equals 5 to the power 10 plus x. So I think we can make the basis equals.
Tell your answer actually.
I'll have to solve it, sir. I don't know.
Yeah. See, minus 5 whole power 6x is equal to 5 power 10 plus x. So what's the value of x, right?
Is the answer option C 2, sir?
Are you sure?
I don't know, sir.
Yes, you are right. But let me know how to do it.
Sir, because
We are,
you know how we have,
did you plug in?
no, sir. You know how we have negative 5 whole to the power 6x?
Yeah.
So one
Negative value to the power of even number is positive.
is positive. So if
You know,
if I
yes,
have
yes.
a odd number,
Very good. You know,
if I take 3 and
6x
put it,
is 6x is always positive.
yes, sir. So it's
Always
gonna be,
even.
yes, sir.
Because 6 into anything is surely even.
Yes, sir.
So negative value to the power of any even number is positive.
Yes, sir.
So it is 5 to the power of 6x.
Yes, sir. So it's gonna be 6x equals 10 plus
Yeah,
x.
5 to the power of 10 plus x. Since bases are equal, we can equate powers.
Yes, sir.
6x is equal
10 plus.
And bring this plus. Yeah, that correct method is not bringing x to left hand side. That is 6x minus x.
Yes, sir. Equals 10x.
5x
Sorry.
is equal to 10.
Yes, sir. X equals.
That's the answer. Some may solve this way, plugging in the values. What happens if we plug in minus 1 in the place of x? It will become minus 5 whole power minus 6.
Yes, sir. That equals
power of 9.
Yes, sir.
It's not correct.
Yes.
What happens if you plug in 1? Minus 5 whole power 6. 5 power 9. Got it? It's
Yes.
also wrong. 5 power 6 cannot be equal to 5 power 9. Of course,
Yes.
minus 5 whole power 6 is 5 power 6. 5 power 6
Yes.
and 5 power 9 not equal.
Yes.
And what happens when we plug in 2? Minus 5 whole power 12
Yes.
is equal to 5 power 12. Since
Yes.
it is even number, minus 5 whole power 12 equal to 5 power 12. That's correct
Yes.
statement. Got it?
Yes.
Right.
The graph represents two equals if f(x) equals k, which of the following is g of x? F of 2 equals k. So is it equals 8?
8.
I think so, sir.
What do you think? 8 is the answer?
Which of the following is the? Yeah, I think so, sir.
Sorry. See, it is given that f of 2 is equal to k.
Oh, they're asking what is the value of g of x at 2.
Yeah, g of k is asked. F of 2 is equal to k, right?
Yes, sir.
That means it is 2.
Yes, sir.
It is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Yes, sir.
F of 2 is equal to k. This is f of 2. This is line f of x, right?
Yes, sir.
For 2 on f of x, it is 8.
Oh.
So actually, f of 2 is equal to 8, right?
Yes, sir.
So the k is equal to 8.
Oh, then they're asking g of x equals 8.
G of
then
k,
it's
that means g of 8 is asked.
Then it's 6, no,
So
sir.
use this curve.
Yeah, so it's 6, no, sir.
G of 8, yeah, 6 is correct answer.
But there's no 6 in the option.
There's no 6. It's their mistake. I also checked their answer. See. They wrote.
Oh, they're dumb.
They wrote 6 only, their answer, but it is a editing mistake.
Yes. If f of x equals g of x.
Do you have quiz today also?
Yes, sir. I have quiz that I have to do it here, and then I have to take a quiz in the center, sir.
Okay. You might have called me. Actually, I wake up at 4, but I thought that there is still 30 minutes more. Just again, when I see the time, yeah, my Google Nest is continuously ringing alarm.
Because I didn't call you because you said connecting at 6:03. I mean, like,
No problem. You can call me within couple of minutes before.
yes.
Yeah, if I didn't connect within 5 minutes, you can call me. Yeah, I also take off the silent mode so that I can hear ring. Okay.
Yes.
Start at exactly 4:30 tomorrow. If you have time, you may spend a few minutes in that class. A new
Yeah.
topic is begin. If you don't have time, you can watch later. It is limits.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Yeah. Let's start at 4:30 sharp tomorrow. Yeah. If I didn't connect within 5 minutes, you can make a call.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Tanika. See you tomorrow 4:30.